What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1965 Mustang Fastback. 289 up under the hood. Should be a pretty sweet ride to take down the road. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for more information, financing options, and shipping options. We can ship these cars all over the United States. I do try to post videos every single day, so definitely hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, look around the interior, go ahead and do the horn pull. Do you think the horn works in this car? The dash looks pretty good on this one. This is a 4-speed. We got some aftermarket gauges down here in the floor. We will go ahead and start it up here. Make sure we're in neutral. Car starts up nice and easy. There's a miniature tach right there on the dash. Show you the miles it's showing. 26,000. I can't stand behind that, but I can show you what it says. Well, if I can get that light out of there. Gas gauge is buried. We're gonna have to stop and get some fuel and see if that works. Oil pressure's up, looks like around 70. Battery gauge is mounted upside down, but it's still reading. Water temp, it's still cold right now. We just started it up. Radio, let's see. I don't think the radio works on this one. Blower motor. I don't think the blower motor works on this one either. So that's something that's gonna need to be fixed. All right, let's try the horn. Horn's not honking. All right, guys, let's take off down the road. Got y'all in the car with me here. Looking around, found some seat belts. We'll put them on. Definitely gonna open my vent window. My favorite options. All right, anything that I see that may be wrong with this car, I will let you know. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. Speedometer is coming up on the dash here. There's a little bit of slack in the front end. You can see that in the steering. And the car, it's going pretty straight down the road, but you can see her gradually pulling to the right. Get over to this gas station. There's a nice 68 Mustang sitting up on a trailer right there. He's at the wrong lot. The brakes on this thing, they feel pretty good. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. Our temp gauge has not came up yet. Let's hope this gas gauge comes up. All right, I just loaded it up with about $20 worth of premium fuel. Gas cat's right here in the middle of the back of the car. Let's see if it works. Our gas gauge is on the left side of the dash right here. I'm just gonna turn the car on and hope it comes up. It doesn't look like it's working. If anything changes, I'll let you know. Got y'all on the virtual cam here. We're gonna head on back to the lot before it starts raining. Not really wanting to be out in the rain with this car, just because I don't want to get it all dirty. We just got it all cleaned up. I know it's seen rain before, but all it's gonna get today is a few sprinkles, hopefully. We should make it back in time. Chirp from that tire. Wasn't really getting on the car. Definitely caught up to this guy pretty quick. Yeah, I'm trying to get a little bit of space between them so I can get on it again. Just a little bit. Let y'all know what it's about. We're just kind of creeping down this road. Here we go, they're turning. It does stop pretty fast. Coming up on that road with the big speed bump in it. Speed bump's right here. Nice and smooth in this one. I like the suspension. To manually turn off the turn signals. I notice they don't cut off by themselves, so we're right around the corner from the lot. So while we're sitting here waiting, the temperature gauge started working. It came up to 180 and the oil pressure's at 40. We're almost back to the lot now. Still sitting here waiting on this traffic. It is 5 o'clock, so I did expect it to be kind of heavy. there. All right, let's pull back in the lot here. And we can get these outside videos before it starts downpouring. All right, guys, I appreciate you riding with me today. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. We post videos every single day. At least we try to. You can also hit that notification bell. Let you know every time we do it. Check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of this car inside, out, and underneath. Also got finance options available. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available on the website as well. We could also ship this car all around the US. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.